DeWalt knee pads are designed to keep you comfortable no matter where the job takes you. There's a knee pad for every surface. Whether it's carpet, wood flooring, tile, concrete, or any rugged terrain, there's a DeWalt knee pad for you. Our multi-surface knee pad is designed with a non-skid, heavy-duty cap for added stability and wear. The layered gel technology over thick, closed-cell foam padding surrounds the knee for unmatched support and comfort. Our flooring knee pads have high-density, closed-cell foam padding with core technology which helps reduce pressure on your knees for extra comfort. The soft cap design allows for forward and lateral movement to be easier. Our all-terrain knee pads come with gel technology and a thick foam padding which provides maximum cushioning for all-day comfort. Whatever the job and no matter the surface, DeWalt knee pads. Guaranteed tough. The knee pad collection from CLC is host to a variety of products, mixing comfort, function, protection, and durability to fit any job. Whether it's carpet, wood flooring, tile, concrete, or a sloped rooftop, there's no surface too tough to handle. Our multi-surface knee pad features injection molded polyurethane and gel technology that gives our contour fit kneecaps unsurpassed all-day comfort and support. Our StabiliCap design provides a solid kneeling base, allowing for easier forward movement and an increase in your range of motion. Our flooring knee pads have your choice of a soft cap or swivel cap design, both allowing forward and lateral movement to be easier. CLC also has knee pads designed for rugged surfaces. These knee pads come with a gel center and high-density foam, which provides maximum cushion on rough terrain for all-day comfort. No matter where the job takes you, be prepared with CLC knee pads.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.